It stinks. Hey. Hey.
Nah.
No, Miracle. What you got? Nothing.
Hey. Come on here.
Come on, Miracle. Good job, Yama John.
Miracle's about to get her ears pierced. You want to see what Daddy? Okay. Well, let your daddy do it. Since he be at work all the time, let you do it.
I know. Yes, I was telling her the way I like to do it. Let her relax. I'm gonna come around to the side. She relaxes though. Okay. And then I'm gonna kind of slowly guide, sneak in.
No, you can't reach now. You can't reach now.
Look.
Give her your keys. Oh, my keys.
But she gonna get strong once that first one hits. Just don't let her reach up and pull. I'm gonna pull the needle away.
Look at now.
Okay.
Now you're gonna throw my phone. Which
All
side
right.
you gonna do first? Big nut.
I'll go this way first.
Don't throw on Mama. That's all you gonna keep. Just go ahead and do what you gonna do.
Don't hold it tight yet until I get till it hit. Let her relax. I'm gonna flow with her.
Look,
Play ABCs.
I'm trying to play something. Yeah, what you got on Black Lewis, Flo?
That ain't her first rodeo.
No.
You might want to hold this phone too, but she gonna let that go.
You see the tree? He's so cute. He's so cute. Oh, Mama. Oh, wait. You see that?
It's so unnecessary dwelling about the past, 'cause I know that God is good, He led me to where I'm at. Sometimes I feel like giving up, you're giving in, but everything happens for a reason. It won't always be blue skies ahead. Sometimes you might need a helping hand, just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron sharpens iron, making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together. It's so unnecessary worrying about life. I might not have it all, but I know I'll be alright. He's gonna challenge me to be the best I can be.
afternoon. I have pretty much done almost nothing today. It's me. Beep, 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 beep. I just saw I did laundry. Folded up a lot of clothes. And I took some of my clothes and I put them in the washing machine. My phone died when I was hanging up I was getting ready to take our clothes down and put them in a basket to take them to wash. But other than that, after I did that, I pretty much sat in the room and edited some stuff. Well, I started to. I finished our taxes and I put Miracle to sleep. Well, I put Miracle to sleep and finished our taxes, one or the other. But it's like 4 something. She's taking her nap. And I'm just trying to find something to do to be productive. Chris' brother texted me a while ago, so I think he's about to bring the kids home. And I'm also sad because they normally don't come home till like 9-ish or sometimes close to 10 when everybody else is at home or Chris is at home. But I guess I'm gonna try to work on my braid wig. That'll give Miracle some time to play in here, and I want to get one of these done because this has been on my list to do. Because I still haven't finished those braids over there. I need to finish those. And I'll need to finish making some more braids. Because I was supposed to be a vendor in the hair show. And I think I told y'all that. But currently, and as of about a week or so, I just haven't been motivated to do so. Because I get so overwhelmed with my responsibilities with my kids, and also just I don't have the I don't have the time, but when I do have the time, I'm still always bothered by somebody needing me to do something after I've met all of their needs. Everything is somehow still. They're fussing, they're arguing, they're whining, they're complaining, they're snitching. Miracle's ready to go to sleep. They pretty much have their nap times. And even just other stuff that I have to do around the house. So that's why I wanted to... Yeah, watch. That's why I wanted to just go and do a whole deep clean of the house. And it seems like I can never get ahead. I mean, I did at one point, but then the kids' room became atrocious. And I think that's what is been on my mind, because I know I have to do their rooms. And being that their rooms are that junky and that crazy, it feels like my whole house is out of order. And when I get like that, I just freeze. And everything I wanted to do, I'm unmotivated. What you want? What you want? Get out. Your siblings will be here shortly. No, you can't have this cup. It's dirty. Remember, you threw it in the ditch. Come on. Where's your other cup? Huh? Where's your other cup? The pink one? Where's your pink one? Where is it? Say cuppy. Cuppy. Your house needs to be clean. Yes. Good thing it's not a lot of small stuff, but it still needs to be cleaned up. Let me go in here. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Look at me. Mask. So I'm gonna go in this laundry room. I know. Yeah, I know. I know. That's what I said. Yeah. And what else? Yeah, that's what happened. Well, I thought she gave me permission to do that. They didn't. Oh snap! That's so messy. That's so messy. Messy. Oh, there's stickers everywhere. Yeah, they got these stickers all up in this washing machine. Well, I know. That's what I'm saying. I told them to stop doing all that stuff, but they don't be wanting to listen to nobody. Yeah, I be trying not to whoop because it don't help. Well, I know. But I'm just saying. Ain't no sense in whooping them because they still gonna do it. And you know, I just didn't want to be that type of mother. Because I know they understand. But I don't even know how they got hold of this stuff. Yeah. You know they be getting into stuff they ain't got no business in. That's why I be trying to keep everything away. Put up and organized. And stuff like that. All this extra stuff we got. Don't need it. Because it's like, it's stickers all in the washing machine. What you doing? Look at it. Stickers out. What is it? Huh? Yeah, I'm trying to get all these stickers out of here. What is it? Look at all of this. This a lot. And I done sat down because what the heck? Oh my gosh. I done put stickers all around the TV. I have to show y'all what it look like when the lights are off in here. It's really cool. But with the lights on, it's really not cool. Because look at all of this. And his matches is in there in the living room. I'm finna get ready to go to the grocery store as soon as Chris gets here. And then when we get back, of course we're gonna have to put everything up. I was gonna clean out the refrigerator, but I started working on some of my braids, and I got some of them done, but of course she won't let me do it. And I don't know if it's just because I'm sitting in this chair or what, but yeah, you.
She ain't chilling like this.
How you?
Huh?
You a good driver. Yeah.
Oh, that's what you talking about? You already got one?
Yep. What is so miracle?
Nice.
my good friends. It comes in my package like this. There you go. She just wants the box. So pure. Mrs. Ward, thank you card. Oh, look at the cute bag. I'm gonna keep this bag. What is it? You gonna see the bag? Then packaged in bubble wrap. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Bag. What color is this? What color? What color is this? Blue. Blue. Here you go. So then we have a box. I'm sorry y'all can't see all this, but she is literally whining. This is cute. And these are the soap pads, scrubbers. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. And then the soap dish. I can't wait. Y'all lucky I love y'all because I waited to open this for y'all. I will link her info in the description box. This is raw shea butter. I've never tried it. Except on my hair, like the products that I use in my hair. I have the milk and oats, goat milk, oatmeal, and honeycomb. Y'all can't really see, it's yellowish. And then I have the I think I got a cashmere one. Yeah, cashmere, the sticker not on there. But I'm gonna double check with her to make sure. They're two different colors. I want this shirt to be. So yes, I can't wait to use them, especially my my scrubbers. Cause I love a good scrub. I love a good scrub. But anyway, y'all. So we pretty much just I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. Cause after this, the kids will be home soon. We're about to get ready to eat. And for some reason, I'm having some strange, I don't know, my anxiety trying to, I don't know, I'm just having some weird feelings, headaches in my head. So I want to go relax and not have to worry about anything else. So I'm about to get Miracle's clothes changed and hop in the shower and get ready to eat and wait on these kids. So I will see you guys in.
Okay, now we gotta rinse all that toothpaste out, right? Not yet. You're almost done. Okay, big stretch. There you go. Good job. You can close. Okay, and open. How are you? Don't always put face on. I'm so sorry. Close.
Do it. Do I have a second? You see your daddy? Huh? Come on. Let's go this way. Erica, like, what's going on? Oh,
I got him.
ready? Go!
Ow! Miracle, you want to come on this slide right here?
Miracle.
Ow! Miracle, you want to come on this one, Miracle? Look! Look, come here. Dad.
Girl, get your big nappy ass up home.
Dad. Come on, look. Dad. She can go up there. Oh, no.
Huh?
Mom,
Huh?
catch me when I go down.
Get a miracle. What the heck? Good. I think it's still, let me see. It might be afternoon by now. Yep. It's 12:15. And we brought the kids to the park. Samaj is, I guess it's a little cold. I don't know if it's from being outside in the dirt and stuff, but he got a tiny runny nose. So I didn't want to bring him, but at the same time, I'm like, well, it's finally warming up, and I hate to just keep them cooped in the house, and he's still feeling really well, and I'd rather him keep moving than to just get home and be moody and all this kind of stuff. So he was supposed to have an appointment today, but they called and did it over the phone instead of him coming in. So we ended up running to get something to eat, and then Chris had to stop and do something really quick for work. So and we came to the park.
Where is Jason going?
You'll see it.
Mom.
Hey, Nick. Hey, Nick.
I don't care.
Get me out of the way.
Throw it over there.
Mama laid off.
They clean it up.
Time the day for her to come down here and make sure you go. Y'all just tell me.
Oh my God.
Dad, what are you doing?
Why? What do you want?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm trying to go. I was trying to eat.
Oh, you trying to eat? You ain't trying to go.
I was actually letting my window up.
Oh, where?
And I just put some barbecues out. Gave him some more. Where your light? It broke? Yeah. Where the clamp broke. The top left. Get your. Okay. Your chicken, you take your sandwich.
It's hot.
It's real.
It's spicy chicken. Yours spicy too.
But it ain't that spicy. It ain't got no. It's a kick, but it ain't spicy.
Nah, I eat chicken.
Yours real. It's real spicy. It's real spicy. Yes, you want. Good afternoon, you guys. So, I don't know what all I recorded this weekend, and I don't know what I didn't. We really didn't do anything. Friday, we ran some errands. I think I did get a few clips. Saturday, we went to place my son's headstone on his grave, and I did record that. Yesterday I thought I picked up the camera, but I don't remember. I know this right there. I don't remember what I talked about. But anyway, it's Monday, and I'm having a pretty rough or annoyed or some kind of day. Got up the kids. Samaj his mood has been kind of off the last couple of days, and he's more emotional, flip-floppy. 1 minute he's yes ma'am, no ma'am, and then the next he's going off about something, or pissed off about something, or crying or whining about something.
Police.
So you want to hold it?
Scientist.
Hold it like that. Hold it right
Nurse.
there. Hold it right there. No, hold it right there. Hold it right there.
Thank you. Gardener.
Hold it just right there.
Construction worker. Ooh.
Good morning. Y'all said that like I'm all happy and I am. I'm not sleepy. Like, I feel great. I would, like, all week I've been kind of anxious a little bit, and I didn't know. I texted my sister last night. I'm like, I didn't want to get there at 7:30 because I just didn't want to leave. Like, this is my first time leaving, especially Miracle. I've never left her for over, I don't think, maybe 2 hours, if that. Yeah, I have left her for like 2 because I went to an appointment. Chris, she stayed at house. But it wasn't that long. Like I said, it was only like 2 hours. So I'm just like, how's she gonna do? I made sure I fed her when I woke up at 6 o'clock. It's so much fog out here. So this is my first, like, all day. Like, it's 7:05. It was 7 o'clock, and the show doesn't start until 11. We are gonna be there all day. Yesterday Chris was asking me what time I plan on, what time the show over with, or what time I'll be done. He was like, I'm just trying to see. I'm like, yo, but just don't want me gone all day. So I think he a little anxious too. Not because of the kid, but he just not like, he ain't being used to me gone, and like his off day. he got to go back to work tomorrow. So it's like I like to spend our days, his off days, doing something together. So like, not me already trying to think of ways for him to come up there. But it's gonna be good though. I think the time is gonna go by fast. And I said I was gonna try to leave probably about 3 or 4. Especially because my milk, like I think that's, I don't know how I'm gonna do without feeding Miracle all day, and I don't want to be leaking everywhere. But we gonna see. I said I was gonna bring my pump, didn't get it. I didn't even get no breast pads. Maybe I had some in the truck somewhere. But other than that, y'all, I am on the way to get something to eat from Chick-fil-A. And I will document the day as I can. Because like I said, when I get there, we have about 4 hours to learn everything to get for the vendors to come in and set up. So I'll be on the vendor floor helping where I can. Oh man, did I? Oops, I'm glad ain't nobody else. Yeah, they back there. Other shoes that I wanted to wear. Because I wanted to get cute today, but they didn't tell us what our shirts look like. So, I don't know. Whew, I don't eat my food, y'all. I'm nice and full. Y'all, Chris already up. Miracle probably up. I don't know. But he already up sending me though. Well, I got some. Oh, them Miracle socks. Sending me doggone videos because him miss me. Ooh, that's good. So you can see actually. Oh, this is nice, baby. And the TV.
And I'm thinking I'm running late.
Wow. Huh?
But when you put the clothes on, you gotta get in there and let the man say, oh, I like your outfit. You start to feel a little bit better. Then you start walking on the treadmill, you start on the elliptical, and you start.
Y'all, your girl is tired. I'm tired.
I just wanted to take the opportunity to give you guys your flowers this year. I know that some of you are OGs, y'all been doing this since I've been doing this, and this year I just felt it necessary to show my appreciation. So this is just a token of my love. I just want to bless you guys, if y'all don't mind. Y'all don't mind? Okay.
Oh.
Come on, Jelly.
Oh, shoot. Look, I'm sitting down. I'm tired. Y'all. Your girl. I'm tired. Honestly, I'm not that tired, but my body, I don't know. I can tell I've been doing some work. And my back, I don't know. Honestly, I might feel good after this, to be honest. But I'm ready to, I'm eating this highway up. I'm ready to be at home. I think I'm ready to be at home more so because I've been gone away from Miracle than I am being tired. Look at all of that. Oh. Good morning. It is raining super bad. Yeah, I'm using this. Your daddy texted me. And it was my plan to get up today and clean up, do all of my laundry today. Like I was gonna do all of it. And I probably still will. I've been out in bed all morning. It's 10:20. Chris left for Colorado. He is currently in Atlanta, get ready to board. It's 10:09. Well, I just said what time it is. 10:20. So I woke up with a headache last night and it's still here. It's a tension headache, so it's like on this side. And it might be because I might be dehydrated. Miracle has been nursing non-stop. Get that out your mouth. Plan to get up, cook breakfast, and like I said, clean all that. I'm gonna go take me something to see if that'll help because I want to get the house clean and I want to do it like soon. I want to get all of the laundry done. I need to get it hung up. I need to order some more hangers. And I want to well, I said I wanted to order a shelf for shoes, but like I'm fine with just putting them here. I need to organize them and putting them up there. And then I have my floor space once I get this bin out of here. This bin right there. I'm trying to show y'all my front camera. But my side is really clean. I just got to get that bin. And Chris put these bags here when he was trying to get his bags together for his flight yesterday. I'm feeling so much better, y'all. I got up and ate. After I ate, I drank some orange juice and some stuff. I drank me a little orange juice and I ate my food. Like immediately when I started eating, my headache went away. So I walked around with a Tylenol in my hand because I was gonna take it. But then I ate me some yogurt and granola. And then I ate me some grits and eggs and drank a little bit of orange juice. And I started feeling better as I was eating. So I just went and laid my pill down and I haven't needed it. So I feel a whole lot better. I'm thinking it may have been dehydration. So, because Miracle had been feeding nonstop. And like I said, I dropped like my waist beads. I can tell I lost some weight because my waist beads. Where are they? Y'all, they weigh. What the heck? They was way down, like under my underwear, the top of my underwear. Y'all know where? What the heck? I was like, wait, where the heck they at? So see how they just dropped. But anyway, I see like your ball. What? What's your birthday?
March 11th.
What year? 2016. Okay.
You go fix my finger.
this down.
Let her do what she. Yes, you getting your finger stuck.
Well, Mom.
Same thing, Samaj. You're not getting a needle.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, they gonna do the left. They do the. Oh, shoot.
I know, they say that. Even on babies, we use a needle.
Oh, yeah, y'all gonna do it here.
Unless we don't have a vein. So much quicker and easier on them. Is it okay to look?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mom couldn't hold your hand.
Cause him, Somebody go ahead, cause him hand.
Let me just look, honey.
Just let her look.
All I'm do is look.
For support.
I'll give you one sec.
My mama did this before with this.
This is Band-Aid. It don't ouch. Okay, now I'm putting it on a little snug so y'all don't leave it too long. About 5 minutes is long enough. She wants to keep wearing it, loosen it.
Yeah, I'll take it off.
I've got it kicked up here to make it easy to catch Toto to get off. Now you put 2 fingers here and you hold it just as tight as I am till you get in the car so you don't get a bruise, okay? You are all done.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Okay, you too.
Have a good day.
What?
Don't let them know. Well, now that you know, let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
Let it go.
Let it go. Generations will die. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.
There you go. I love hearing you sing.
It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. And the fears that run.
Hey y'all, we are back home. Amazon has not. This morning I ordered some organization stuff from Amazon. For them to ship it today, and I got some curtains, so they coming. So I did end up going in and rearranging 3 cabinets last night, and so I'm gonna try to finish the kitchen and the living room today. And then after that, I'm gonna move on to my room and bathroom and the rest of the house. Yeah, Miracle was wanting to get something to eat, so again. But anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna move on to my room, bathroom, and I don't know, cause I don't like to do laundry in my, especially when I got a lot of laundry, cause I like to do the laundry on the bed. But I don't like I need my bed to be made up when I do my laundry for some reason. So I have this stuff. Chris texted me. I got this stuff in the washing machine now, in the dryer. So I'm gonna finish that tonight as well. I supposed to have a dang. I don't know, y'all. I was gonna be out all day tomorrow with doctor's appointments, but it was some mess today. They changed it, so I only have 2 appointments for Samad. Look how dirty AZ is, y'all. Look at it. Just look at it. Like, why is he that dirty? Yeah. Mama finna, she'll be here in a minute. She gonna give him a bath. See that girl, you falling over the cover again. So yeah, let me go. This is what I did to the cabinets last night. Y'all, we got a buttload of seasoning. And I want to get and organize those. I'll organize that. Well, rearrange it. And then this one will be cups from now on. I'm getting rid of a lot of cups right here. Because we don't drink out of them. We really don't need to drink out them wine ones, but I'm going to keep them because we're going to do some date night stuff. This is where the cups were. I'm going to take all this out here. So I'm going to leave the utensils. Probably I'm going to leave them in here, maybe. Or put them over here. No, I'm going to leave them there. And then over here is where I'm going to rearrange the bowls and stuff. I got some stuff, like I said, I got some stuff coming from Amazon. All of those, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those. I kept them at first because I was like, well, we have some, you know, nice dinners and stuff like that. But, man, forget all that. We paper plates around here. Yeah. So, yeah. And then I just cleaned all of this up. And so all of this was clean. I got to do those dishes and put the top back on it. I'm going to move that toaster and wipe it out some more. And eventually I'm going to fix that, and then I gotta wash those. And I'm gonna move this air fryer. I'm not sure yet. I want to put a nook over there. I gotta get all this stuff. This a donation bin, and that's Miracle's toys. I don't know how they ended up over here, but I gotta put them back in her playpen some kind of way, or in the. I'll probably take it to the class. Those letters to the classroom. And when I clean up the classroom, I'm going to put them on the floor. I don't know. We'll see. Or I might just go ahead and get rid of them. Because to be honest, we're not doing nothing with them. And then all this hair stuff. I got to clean all of that up. So, yeah, y'all. Oh, and I'm going to redo. This is where I said I got all those tops. So I'm going to, I think I might take this shelf out and put the pot and pan organizer thing. But for now, I'm just going to put the tops here and then stack the pans, pots and pans here. And then when we get new set, do that. And then I got to clean out this refrigerator, y'all. Look at this. It look a whole mess. I mean, a mess. A mess. Look at this. A mess. And all of this mess. Y'all just, I don't get it. I don't like it. My light ain't on. I need to redo this, you know. Those curtains, Chris was like, we need to order some more curtains. I was like, say less. I surely will. Look at her got that doggone. She like that little egg pen. Yeah, this. So yeah. That oh, let me go and take this salmon out. And be cutting this up. I don't want to. I don't want to. Down to go, you?
This same one.
Oh, okay.
I just now holding on the skin.
Good job, eh?
Good job, big boy. I just want to cut one side and see if I can see a good difference.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, big boy.
Yeah.
Big boy.
Y'all look at that. You look so good. All right, you want some more? You want more? Huh? You want more? You done? I'll let you help me. Don't put your mask down. Don't put that on your face. I mean, don't put your hand on your mask. Make sure it stay tight. This is all the good stuff. Eventually we're gonna stop buying all this stuff because I mean some of this stuff is just open bottles. We don't even really, we just have multiple bottles of certain things because I don't know. But I'm gonna get my life together on that. This is stuff that's going in the garbage. See what I'm talking about? We got old stuff in there, and I knew I'd go to the store and be like, that one at home should be old. Get home is not old. But now I know these are old because we don't even use mayonnaise like this. So these are left over from like parties and whatnot other people brought. And then I gotta wash this stuff. So I'm about to do that, and I have my Amazon box over there that I have my stuff organized and everything. I may come back and show y'all when I do that. I'm not sure because I'm really ready to get this over with. My computer is about to die, and I think I only have about 30 minutes of footage recording space because I just had to transfer this last clip over to my computer, and I don't want to have to keep doing it, but at the same time I don't mind. So I'll probably leave it up and let y'all see just to get some content or whatever. So yeah, let me go get Christiana because she gotta be in class, and let me finish this because we cooking us a peach cobbler tonight. So my mom just got here with the stuff. My dad just got here too. He outside with the kids. They playing Miracle Sleep. So I feel good. Get this stuff. And I got some more curtains, y'all. So I'm gonna replace those. So I'm gonna do the living room and the kitchen, all of that tonight. I wanted to have all like the house done before Chris got home, just so he can come home and be, you know, relaxed and whatever, more relaxed or whatever. I'm definitely gonna have my room done and everything. So anyway, let me go.